You're the one. You, my brother, yes, you. I'm talking to every person that's sitting here, to every person that's watching, to every person that's listening. You, yes, you are the one that can change the world. You need to believe in yourself. Don't let people put you down. You are special. You are a creation of Allah. Allah says the more you are like the way I created you, like the way I designed you, like the way I fashioned you, then the more honored you are. Allah says I love you just the way you are. Allah says I don't want you to be anything more than that which you are not. You are special. You are a Muslim. You are the follower of Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.